Autonomous cargo logistics. Autonomous cargo logistics is revolutionizing space transport between Earth, the Moon, and beyond. Imagine automated cargo ships navigating space independently, handling every step of transport without human pilots. This system, powered by AI and robotics, is already making space exploration more efficient and sustainable. A key advantage is continuous operation, as these ships don't need life support or brakes. This allows for regular cargo movement, essential for long-term Moon or Mars missions needing steady supplies. Autonomous cargo can create a reliable supply line, delivering essentials like fuel and building materials. Technology like advanced navigation and AI-driven decision-making makes this possible. Sensors allow these ships to avoid obstacles, adjust course, and dock without intervention. If an issue arises, onboard AI can make split-second corrections, ensuring resilience in space's unpredictable environment. These systems are especially impactful for asteroid mining, transporting materials from asteroids to processing stations autonomously. Fleets of these ships could make large-scale space mining feasible and continuous, supporting infrastructure in space itself. More than logistics, autonomous cargo is building a connected space economy. Ships could deliver asteroid resources to space stations for in-space construction, sustaining operations without relying on Earth. This innovation lowers costs and risks, making ambitious exploration and human expansion into the solar system more attainable.